Hello
Hello.
and welcome.
Welcome to today's episode of the Cripples at Home, and today we are decorating cookies with a little surprise. Do you want to talk about the surprise?
Well, the surprise is that we have a little bit of a trip announcement. I don't want to say just announcement because that comes off like something else. But we do have another trip planned for January, the beginning of January.
Let's go.
Okay. Anyway, we do have a trip planned for the beginning of January. Starting January, I'm not going to give the specific date, but the beginning of January. So, we are going, be careful, it's open on the end.
Oh, I didn't realize you opened it.
Yes, I did.
How am I supposed to spread it?
It doesn't like,
No.
I have to go get a little tool.
It's okay, I'll use my finger.
Oh, that's nice.
Here.
But anyway,
It's my cookie.
we're going back to, drum roll, Walt Disney World.
It probably sounds horrible on the mic.
Yeah, it probably does. We're going back to Disney World in the beginning of January. And basically in this video, we're just going to go through, each of us are going to go through 3 things that we're excited about and what we're looking forward to. I think the way we should, what we're going to do is we're just going to go, you'll list one, I list one, and then...
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So what's your first one?
So what I'm really looking forward to is doing more of the things that I haven't done.
Like?
So, like, one thing I'm super looking forward to, and this is my number 1, is eating in Animal Kingdom. Out of the 4 times I've been to Walt Disney World, I've never eaten anything other than restaurant stores.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm looking forward to trying at Satu'li's, what is it, Satu'li Canteen? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. And like just trying the different snacks and drinks over there, because this time I really want to spend a full day in Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom?
Oh. Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. Because for the most part, what we do is we just like we'll ride Everest. This last time we rode Everest, we rode Flight of Passage, and we just kind of.
Well, we had that, because we had that dining reservation.
Yeah, but we also just didn't want to be in Animal Kingdom either.
That wasn't true.
We went to Epcot, I believe, after Hollywood Studios, one or the other.
No, we didn't. We went to eat.
And we left the park early.
Yeah, so that I could go home and change and put makeup on.
I don't remember. That was over a year ago. But yeah, so we're going back, and the one thing I'm looking forward to, my number 3 is spending a full day at Animal Kingdom for the first time.
My number 3 is I can't get this thing out. Anyway, not important. My number 3.
Also, we're decorating pumpkin cookies. If you didn't say so.
That didn't stick.
It's okay.
My number 3, I think, is trying new places to eat. This is in no specific order for me.
Well, my hands are all sticky now. Well, this is my first cookie. The icing is really thin, but bam, it's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay.
Save them because we can use them for our thumbnail.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, like I said, I think my number 3 is trying all the new places to eat at.
What?
It's just flowing out of the thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're eating at all kinds of new places. We're also eating at our favorite places. So I guess my number 3 would be food.
Just food.
Food.
I understand that completely. We're eating at, we've already planned on what restaurants we're going to go to.
Yeah.
We have still like a week and a half until we have to actually plan it. But we're eating at
the Wave.
We're eating at the Wave, which we've never done, and we've always heard good things about it. And this time, we're just gonna do it.
Where else are we eating? That's new.
Homecoming.
Oh yeah,
Homecoming. Something we wanted to do last time we went in August. Anyway, we're eating at Homecoming, which is a place we really. I know I made a mess. Which is a restaurant we really wanted to eat at last time we went, but it wasn't open yet. It opened like a week.
It was open. We just didn't go.
I thought it opened a couple weeks after.
No, we didn't eat there the last time we went in August because we couldn't get a reservation.
Oh, well, I thought it wasn't open, but whatever the reason.
That restaurant's been open for like 3 years now.
No, it closed during COVID.
I know, but it was open when we went.
No.
Yes, it was.
I don't think it was.
Okay.
I don't think it was. 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 I don't think it was.
Okay.
Anyway, we're super excited. I want to get some moonshine drinks.
Yeah.
And try their chicken sandwich. So, yeah. All right, well.
Your number 2.
My number 2 was eating at Homecoming.
Okay, well.
Yeah, so.
So what are you the most excited about at Homecoming? The moonshine drinks?
Yeah, the moonshine drinks. I don't know, the food too. They have, it's by Chef Art Smith, so I don't know. I see everybody that eats there and they really love it. So yeah. I'm super excited for that.
My number 2 would be going back with my mom.
Yeah?
Yeah, just getting to go to Disney again with my mom, because that's been like my entire life was going with my mom. So getting to do another Disney trip with her.
Thank you.
Will be fun.
Yeah. Especially with everything that's happened.
Yeah.
It's a it'll be a fun trip for sure. All right.
Your number 1.
My number 1 thing I'm most excited for.
I think this is going to be the same for us.
Get out of here. I can do it. It's got to be staying in new resorts.
Resort.
Yeah, resort. Well, I meant like in general.
Okay.
Like, this last time in August, we stayed in Caribbean Beach.
Yeah.
Which we never stayed in before.
Right.
And even though the rooms aren't the best, I don't know. There was just something about it that I really liked. I like the feeling of the Caribbean Beach Resort. I don't know why. It's very big, and
I think you really like the theming of it.
Yeah, I really like the colors and then the atmosphere. Because when we went in August, it wasn't like hustle and bustle. I can imagine as time progresses and things open back up, it will be.
Yeah.
But it gave me the same feeling of when I stayed in French Quarter. Like the moderate resorts.
Yeah.
Are super like I don't know. I've stayed in the Value and at the All Stars. There's just something about
the moderate resorts.
The moderate resorts. And I haven't stayed in a deluxe resort. I don't know when that'll happen.
So
we've also planned our honeymoon trip.
Yeah.
But that's another conversation for a different day.
Yeah, but I think you didn't say where we're staying.
Oh yes, so drum roll please. We are staying at the Grand Destino Tower in Coronado Springs.
Yay! Yay! Okay. That was so out of pocket.
So that's my number 1 thing I'm looking forward to
and
is staying at.
It's also my number 1.
Yeah. We've never stayed at Coronado Springs before. She hasn't either out of all 159,000 times she's gone to Disney. But this one's a little different. It's a little more sentimental. So just being able. It's
also like we were supposed to stay there for our May trip that got canceled by COVID.
Yeah.
So I think it's just something that we really wanted to do, and now we'll finally be able to do it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, with COVID, would not happen. We moved our May trip to August, and then unfortunately we had to cancel for August. But
we still went. But we
right. We it was a whole. We had to trip planned with my side of the family, and unfortunately, due to COVID and the restrictions that Disney had, we
Okay, I don't think we need.
yeah, no, that's it. That's all I'm decorating. I'm about to try it.
Yeah.
But we decided to cancel and make other.
It's good. It's not getting it. Okay.
Okay. Anywho, we made other plans, and we still went to Disney in August, but
Yeah.
we just went for 3 days. And
This will give us more of a full trip too,
Yeah.
since we'll be staying there for 8
Oh.
days.
we'll have 7 park days.
7 park days.
7 park days, so we'll do every park twice except Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
For obvious reasons. But if park hopping comes back in January, that would be great.
Yeah.
I don't know if it will.
Well, they also said that sometime in the beginning of 2021 we will have fast passes too.
Yeah, fast passes would be great, especially after watching the videos.
Oh, yeah.
Of the influencers.
Do you
and
have any
people.
more Brian conspiracies? Because in our last Disney video, your conspiracy was they were speeding up the rides.
Oh, I still believe that 100%, especially after going to Splash Mountain. We were being slung around.
But
But,
any conspiracies about the capacity thing?
Oh, that's not 25%. That's not 20. Looking at wait times after being there, even when more things were closed when we went to now, it's October 25th.
Yeah.
There was way more closed in August than there is now, and the lines are even longer.
Yeah.
And they're hitting capacity almost every weekend, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
Not the fast pass. The park reservations are, especially Hollywood Studios, they're sold out, and I mean that park is packed. So I don't think it's 25%. I don't think anyone believes that. Them parks are not 25%. They're
If you want to see what we're talking about, then go watch someone's video that's there right now.
You don't even have to go that far.
Like go find pictures or whatever.
You don't have to search far and long.
Yeah.
Literally just search up like Disney vlog or there's dozens of Disney
just something of like right now,
YouTubers
because
out there.
It's definitely not what it says it is.
No, absolutely not. But those are our 3 things that we're looking forward to the most on this Disney trip.
Yes.
We're definitely going to do more vlogs and stuff out there in Disney.
Yes.
We're going to
actually seriously
in the parks.
Yeah.
We're going to do dining stuff.
Yeah.
We're going to do as much as we can without hindering our ability to enjoy ourselves and have fun. Absolutely. But
let's try our cookies.
Yes, let's try these cookies. This last one I made is a little cockeyed, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's try it, okay?
Yummy.
I don't like sprinkles, but it's not that bad.
I mean, it's a cookie out of a cookie making thing.
Yes. All right. Well.
This was fun.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Yes. Like, subscribe.
Comment down below. Any questions?
Yes. Comment how beautiful and amazing I look. Thank you.
And how great and wonderful our cookies turned out. This one to leave it.
This one, the leaves are right there. What is going on here? It's like the devil. I don't know if you can see that one.
It's Halloween.
Frickin' bats. I love Halloween. Okay. It was not recording.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No, you're not.
Alright, well, we gotta start over.
You're not serious.
We gotta start over.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Can you restart the recording?
Are you guys not serious?
Yes.
I pressed the button.
I just pressed it just now.
Dude, I pressed the button.
I'm just messing with you. I need to wash my hands.
I need to stop this recording.